Hello, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Philips Respironics Nebulizer. I bought this for just under $160 at a local home medical supply store. This is good for both people and pets. This is actually for my cat who's got pneumonia. And I'm also going to be building a cat box in sort of a series of videos where I both test this, show you how to build the box, and then also demonstrate its use. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. There's a little tab over here. Pop that up and pull that out. And on the top, it's little medication cartridges. And this one is the regular loose handset. And this is the backup handset. Here's the unit itself. Get it out with one hand. Okay, anything else in the box? Yes. Looks like a little guide. So let's see. Inside of this, it simply looks like the unit itself. There's no other pieces. So you got the on and off switch. This is where you will attach the handset through one of these tubes. And nothing on the bottom. There's kind of the serial numbers and everything. And it looks like that's all that's really in it. Pretty simple. So if you don't know, what happens is you plug this into here. You'll add the medication to this guy. Probably in that orientation. You'll turn this guy on and it sends the medication vaporized through one of these guys into the box. So I've got the box down here that I'm going to be modifying. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Thanks.